don't know, must be 7:30, going on 8 o'clock, and we're here. This is Walpole, in far south Western Australia. We're going the opposite direction to the way we were expecting to go, which is a bit funny. We came down here to see cousin Jeremy, my cousin, my mother's sister, or my Auntie Kay's boy, his kids and his wife, and make some connections there that we didn't think we'd ever make, which is great, and to get some whole new experiences. It was a new way of life, looking at how Jeremy and his family run their life. They've just started pig farming down at a place called Denmark, and it's pig farming on a big scale, a really big scale, and they've basically spent a year working flat out, the whole family. Jeremy and Josie, his wife, and the three older girls have been working every single day, basically, for the last 6 months, from dawn to dusk, building up an enterprise for themselves, and it shows the amount of work they've done, the improvement to the land they've made. It's all starting to come together. I don't think it's been easy for them. I think it's been pretty damn stressful, in fact, but it appears as if it's all coming together, and the place looks fantastic. And yeah, my hat off to Jeremy and Josie. It's a fantastic thing they're doing, and fantastic thing they're doing with their kids as well. Anyhow, I'm going to sign off now and catch you later. Bye.